Yo traders, what's good? So if you're new, welcome to the channel. If you've subbed up, welcome back. I salute every single one of you and I appreciate you all. Today's Thursday, the 11th of December. So I'm going to run you through last night's Tokyo session, or I should say today's Tokyo session. And I feel like it's deja vu, to be honest. It feels exactly the same as yesterday's Tokyo session. Yeah, it was crazy. First entry, sketchy one. Second one, perfect. So yeah, we're going to run that. Also, I'm going to quickly break down another trade that I took today. Didn't go live to take the trade. Wasn't able to go live to take the trade, to be honest. Took it off my phone. I'm just going to actually show you the trade and what I was thinking, why I took the trade. It's literally the same shit I do every day. ABC 1, 2, 3 baby step stuff. But still, I'm gonna run you through that trade in a sec. Just before we jump into the video, I gotta do it on every single video, yeah, because this is called self-promotion. I promote myself. The Christmas discount is live right now for the premium Discord, the lifetime access. So it's $100 for lifetime access. You're not gonna get no better. It's never gonna be that cheap again. So go get it. Xmas100 at the checkout, okay, on the Warp store. Otherwise, hit me on this Gmail address and just message me Xmas1, and then I'm gonna tell you the steps to go through Stripe or crypto or whatever the fuck you want. It doesn't matter. And if you're looking for a banging FX broker, yeah, look no further. Fusion Markets is the shit, and you're gonna see why in this video, because spreads on Fusion are super duper ridiculously tight, especially with gold, Nasdaq, US 30, even Tokyo session. The spreads are amazing. The way I didn't get stopped out last night is beyond me, all right? But anyway, Fusion Markets, best Forex broker in my opinion. Also, if you're feeling confident and you want to test yourself as a trader, then you want to go over and try an Apex challenge, right? So Apex has got % off all challenges right now when you use the code CAFX01 at the checkout, okay? Don't say I ain't got you. But anyway, with all of that shit said, you know how I am with my intros. It is what it is. Let's get into the video. Run the clip. All right, so before I break down the Tokyo session, I'm just going to break down this one trade that I took earlier on gold. All right, so it was literally 3:30. I started looking at the charts, literally didn't have no time to even bang this in the trade ideas. I was like, yo, I'm bored. I'm sitting on my phone. I ain't traded New York session in a while. Is gold prices moving? Let's trade it. So simple, basic, exact same shit I do every day. Look for overall direction. Where we going? We're going up. Check. Look for a little bit of structure that I can place my breakout line. Check. And why do I put my breakout line there? Well, let's just run it back. Let's take it back to when this was just a higher high. All right, let's get rid of all this stuff for a sec. So, all right, so this is the higher high, okay? Why is it a higher high? Well, because this high is higher than this high. All right, this is the higher low. So I got my higher high right there, and I got my higher low, okay? Now, let's watch what happens, okay? Boom. So we get a bearish shift. Now, this is a lower low right there. This is the lower low, and this is the lower high. So now we have structure, okay? So I got my structure. I can actually place a breakout line there on the lower high. Now I'm waiting for this line to get broken. And what am I targeting? 4-hour liquidity levels, all right? When I use the CAFX Liquidity Pro, I put on the 4-hour or the 1 hour. It's gonna, or even the 50-minute and the 30-minute. It don't matter. I'm just looking for take profits. But anyway, they're the cleanest ones. Then 4-hour liquidity lines are always gonna be the cleanest, heavier targets, like a magnet for price. So it's kind of like a cheat code. And then I go in with a 3 pip or a 4 pip or point, you want to call it 3.4 point stop loss with gold. Very tight, I know, but I'm only looking for my 1 to 2s. Works out perfect for me. So what am I doing when that gets broken, if it gets broken? I'm getting in. Boom. Now, my TP got smashed. So I'm going to bring up the profit right now on the screen because I didn't live record this actual session. So I was on my phone, so I just screen recorded how much profit I was in and my 2 positions on gold, all right? Boom, successful trade anyway. But if I let that shit run, look at that. So just imagine I let it run. If I let that shit run up to this liquidity level there that just got dashed out, that's a 1 to 6. So if I made 1,000 just from hitting this 1 to 2, then I definitely would have made about 3 bags plus with this one trade. But anyway, that was my trade from today. And it was random too. Look, 3:30 in the afternoon. New York session is 2:30 in the afternoon. So today price action was beautiful. I don't really trade the New York right now. I ain't really been trading New York. I ain't been trading New York and I haven't been trading London session right now because it's December. The markets are just shit and unpredictable on the opens. But later on after, look what happened. Boom. So yeah, overall beautiful trade. I only took a 1 to 2 from it. I'm happy with that. So now I can run the clips of the Tokyo session. So let's get into the Tokyo session. I have nowhere to put my breakout now. So I need structure. I literally need structure. So I need a pullback now for me to put my breakout line. I just need it. So until I get a pullback, I have nowhere to put a breakout line, okay? And I'm not even going to force a trade. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. So I'm expecting price to react from this area now, because it's a pretty nice area where price has reacted from before. So now we're back there. Hopefully we do this and then we get a chance to come down. But that shit's melting. That is melting. My bad. So I wish that I got on a little bit earlier just so I could have seen this in time and caught that break, because that's lovely. Right, so this is where we got choices and options. All right, so do we go against the trend and where it's going? Do we want to go against that? Not really. Would I? Yeah, I would get in early because it could fully pop off to the upside. But also, I'm liking I was looking for sells, so I want to carry on down really. But yeah, I would get in for buys. Look at this shit. Is it even going to give me a chance? Seriously. Oh shit, what's going on here? Big volume. It ain't even, what the fuck? I'm going to sell. I'm taking a little sell on that. Do we have news? Too late, I'm already in the fucking thing. Okay, I'm in that for sells. But I don't like that volatility. It's a bit crazy. Holy shit. I didn't even check if we got news neither. Alright, it's too late. I'm in it. I'll let you know if I close. Yeah, alright, so it's peaking. He's tweaking, it's pulling. Back it out. I thought it was just going to melt. Okay. If I take this L straight away and it pops to the upside, just believe I'm buying. Understand that. Hopefully it carries on dropping though. Fuck, we're about to find out. Motherfucker! Alright, I've closed, obviously, and I'm buying. Alright, I'm in for buys, and I'm holding it for this, okay? I'm holding for this full TP up there now. I just took the fucking L. So now I'm holding. I want to see this get smacked, because otherwise it's not going to make sense. Alright, come on now. Go smash that for me, because I instantly get shit then on that first entry. I need this one to play out. Come on now. Imagine it gets all the way up there. Maybe I'll leave a runner. Alright, so this is the first TPs. I had to get back what I lost then. If it decides to carry on, though, I'll leave a runner. Hopefully this carries on to the upside. It would be really nice. So, yeah, that first fucking one, bitch. Alright, it's all good, it's all good. Spirits are still high. Come on now. I want to see this get slapped. Then I want to close one position and keep a runner for that 4-hour liquidity up there. That'd be amazing. Come on now, gold. Let's do it. That was a lovely bullish push. Come on. Alright, it's losing a bit of momentum. I understand we're at like a resistance right now. I just hope it busts through it though. Don't do this. Come on. Breakthrough. Got a good feeling. Let's go. Alright, retracement. It's cool. This is good. I like to see this. Come on now. Yes, come on now. This is good. Alright. I'm closing one position. So I've closed my one position and I'm going to leave a runner, alright? So I'm kind of back to where I was. So I've just recovered from the loss basically. So yeah, I've recovered from the loss. Now I realistically want to see this shit fly to the moon. If that happens, it'd be amazing. So I'm going to hold this now. But obviously if it does come back to break even, I will close at break even. I'm not going to let myself go back in the red now. But this is fucking looking very promising, I'll be honest. That was so close. Hopefully it doesn't take me out of the game. Come on now. Come on now. I'm super close to break even. I don't want it to be a break even though. You know, bitch. Oh, it's going to be, I think. That shit was a pip away from stopping me. No way. Come on. So close. Literally a pip. I'm a fucking pip away from being stopped. A break even. If by some chance this booms now to the moon, honestly, I was a pip away from being stopped at break. I dare you to boom. I just dare you to. What the fuck? How I haven't been stopped out. Shout out Fusion Markets though, man. For the spreads. That shit's like razor tight. The fuck? That's insane. Alright, it is what it is, isn't it? It's break even. I can't lose it now, but at the same time, it's like, you understand, right? If this shit was to just do this, it would be insane. You know, every time I've got the balls to and the mindset to do this and hold and really man up for my trades, it always seems to stop me out. Do you know the days I always close early? It seems to do the shit that I want it to do now. Okay, yeah, it's going to hit me at break even. I'm like almost certain at this point. Yep, there we go. Break even, I'm out. Alright, fuck you. So, that was that. That was that. Okay. Fair play.